Welcome back to the Bailey Financial Group. This is Jerome, and this is part two of my first trade, my first option trade through Robinhood. So, just right off the bat, I'm going to show you what happened. I did a long straddle option for Invesco IVR, and it started off pretty good. I started around here, around this area. Okay, so I was doing a long call. And the good thing about straddles is that you can make money either way. But this was more so of a learning opportunity. So it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, but there were opportunities that, there were opportunities to where I could have been in profit. So I got in around this area, okay, and then I waited and waited, and then price got up. So it was up about 30%. And the thing is, I was trying to exit the trade, but one thing that I learned with options as far as straddles, they're a little bit more hard to sell. So I will put in a sell through Robinhood, and throughout the day, and then by the day has ended, I would get a message that would say, your option to sell was unsuccessful or something along those lines. I'm like, oh man. And that happened to me about a couple of times. So let's take a look at my Robinhood account real quick. So we started at around $100 and it's now at $79.91, and that's not too bad. Okay, I mean, especially since it's my first trade, it's me learning, getting my feet wet, and I chose to do a straddle. And I wish it had turned out a little bit differently, but I have learned a couple of things, and that's another thing that I learned is that it's good to have a longer period of execution. I think that's what it's called. But I chose an early date for everything to execute, and I should have planned it out a little bit further by maybe a week or two for the expiration date. So there's a couple of things that I learned. So my plan is now, instead of doing long straddle trades, which could be profitable if done correctly, if I can just learn a little bit more, I think the best way for me to go about this in my style of trading would just to be doing outright puts and calls. Just naked puts and calls. And how I'll do that is just analyzing the charts and just do it that way, and just using good what do you call it? My mind is freezing right now. Risk management. Yeah, using good risk management and using decent chart analysis. And I think I can monitor it better doing that. So that's basically about it. That was my first experience doing a trade with Robinhood with my straddle straddle option. So that's what I'm going to be doing from here on out, just looking at the charts and determining if I should be doing a put or a call. And one of the reasons why I'm going to do that is because I believe that selling when it comes to closing my trade, selling a call or a put by itself will be a much easier sell, and I think I would be more successful that way. But that about wraps it up for this video. Just a quick learning experience, my experience with this Robinhood options trading. Didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, but at the same time, I've learned a couple of good things, and I will take those lessons moving forward. But anyways, my name is Jerome with the Bailey Financial Group. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I thank you for the subscribers that I do have right now. And leave a comment. If you have any comments, leave them down below. I will get to those as soon as I can. Make sure to like this video. It'll help out pretty good. So make sure you like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Always remember to take the money and run, and be blessed. Thank you.